Let's practice question based on FRUSTUM of the exercise 13.4. So all board aspirants, stay tuned till the end. The video is going to be very helpful for you. Let's start with the first question. A drinking glass is in the shape of FRUSTUM of a cone of height itna. So FRUSTUM of cone, you have seen the glass that somehow look like this. So this is what? A FRUSTUM having two radius, capital R, one is small r, and a height, that is h. Here this is L. Okay. Height is 14. This is 14 centimeters. Diameter of its two circular ends are 4 and 2. So 4 means that is greater one. 4 by 2. The diameter is given. We are finding radius. And small is 2 by 2. That is 1 centimeter. And this is 2 centimeter. Find the capacity of glass. You have to find the capacity. Capacity is somehow volume. The amount that it can store inside it is known as capacity. So volume equals to what we have read, 1 by 3 pi h. Here what I have to say, r1, that is small r ka square plus capital R square plus small r and capital R. Okay, fine. 1 upon 3 pi we have to use 22 by 7 into r1 square is small r1, 1 का square 1 plus bracket में है 2 का square 4 plus 2 1s are 2 into h is 14. 7 2s are 14. 22 upon 3 here 4 5 6 7. 7 2s are 14. Okay. If we divide with this, you can multiply first and then divide. It depends on you. इसके लिए टेबल आना चाहिए. 14 का टेबल आता है. और I have also told you 2-digit number का product. It's very simple trick. First vertically 4 2s are 8. Then cross 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 1s are 2. 10, that is 0 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 308. We are going to get the product. Now divide with 3. 3 1s are 3. Here 0. ओके एक डिजिट ली हमने, नहीं गया भाग, तो हम क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ, भाग नहीं गया इसलिए इसके लिए 0 कि हम एक और डेसिमल ले सकें, तो 8 ले लिया. नाउ 3 2 6, 3 3 9 ज़्यादा हो जाए, 3 2 6, 1 माइनस 6 7 8 2 पॉइंट लगेगा 0, 3 6 18 20 रिपीट होगा. ओके तो 102.6 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. ओके इसी चीज़ को मिक्स फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में लिखना है तो रिमाइंडर जितना भी होता है वो हम यहाँ लिखते हैं अपर पोर्शन में, डिविडेंड नीचे, एंड द क्वेश्चन 102 हियर. दिस इज सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इज अवर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. Question 2. The slant height of a frustum of cone is 4 centimeter. So let's draw a rough diagram of frustum of cone. This, and we have 4 centimeter the slant height L. Okay. And the perimeter circumference जिसे बोलते हैं of its circular ends is 18 and 6 centimeter. 18 है perimeter, that is नीचे का होगा ज़्यादा, और ऊपर का 6 centimeter, that is perimeter. Okay. Find the CSA, curved surface area, CSA of frustum. तो CSA क्या होता है, pi r capital R L. Okay. pi r L is कौन का होता है सेम, बस हमें यहाँ पे क्या है सम रखना है, पाई स्मॉल आर कैपिटल आर और इनटू एल. फाइन. नाउ वी हैव पाई 22/7. वी हैव एल 4 centimeter, but we don't have r and r, that is small r and capital R. Then what we can do, we have additional information, perimeter. And what is the perimeter or circumference of circle? That is 2 pi r. Okay. So 2 pi r equals to, we have 6. Fine. What is the value of r here? ये 2 will divide here, 2 3s are 6, and pi will be in the denominator. Okay. So r we have this. Similarly for this part, 2 pi capital R equals to 18. Here what is the value of capital R? R equals to 2 9s are 18 and divide by pi. Okay. Just place the values, 3 upon pi plus 9 upon pi. Okay. And this is what? Pi. So value put मैंने additionally कर दिया, but you have to keep in mind, नहीं करते हैं, let's do it. Okay. यहाँ LCM लोगे तो LCM में क्या आएगा, pi नीचे और 9 10 11 12 into 4 तो है, pi से pi कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 12 4 जा 4 2 जा 8 4 1 जा 4. क्या निकाला हमने? CSA और वो भी सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So this is the required answer. Let's do question number 3. A fez, the cap used by Turks is in the shape like frustum of cone. जो cap use करते हैं वो लोग, तो वो frustum की तरह होती है, मतलब नीचे का सर्कल ऊपर भी सर्कल. If the radius on open side of the cap नीचे से ओपन करते हैं, उसका रेडियस दिया हुआ हमें 10 सेंटीमीटर. Radius at the upper base is 4. Upper base smaller होगा, R is 4 सेंटीमीटर. And its slant height is L, जिसे बोला है वो 15 सेंटीमीटर है. Find the area of the material used in making. अब बनाना है हमें, तो मटेरियल यूज कर रहा है. वी आर यूजिंग द मटेरियल दैट इज द CSA and the top surface because it is closed. Okay, and it has been said the open end, that is which we are going to tuck in our head. Okay, so let's start. CSA of frustum. What we have? Pi R1, that is small r plus capital R L. Okay, and additionally हमें CSA के साथ क्या ऐड करना है? सर्कुलर पोर्शन, that is circle area. What is that? Pi R square. Which R square? Small r square. That what I mentioned here. Okay, so CSA of cap, TSA of cap, that is total surface area which is required to make the cap, is pi small r plus capital R L plus pi small r ka square. Okay, now take common pi and do the calculation. Small r we have 4 plus capital R we have 10. Product में we have 15L and plus capital R square, that small r square, that is 4 square. Okay, now 22 by 7. Solving this, 10 plus 4 14 into 15 plus 4 4 is 16. Okay, 14 into 15, the product of two digit number. How we can do? A very easy trick. Vertically, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 1s are 5, 4 1s are 4. Add all these, 9 10 11, 1 1 carry दे देंगे, 1 1s are 1 plus 1 2, 210. 210, this is 210. Add on क्या करना है हमें? 16. तो what we get? 22/7 into 226. Now multiply 22 with 226 and divide the result by 7. Remainder at the top, quotient in the middle, and the dividend at the bottom. What we got? Centimeter square. Okay, so the material used in making it is 710 2 by 7. This is frustum. So hello board aspirants, this is Shabnam and today we are going to understand formulas related to frustum. It is the lower portion of a cone. If we look at the cone, then we can observe, we can see that if we cut half of the cone, the half portion, down portion, that is called frustum. So here in the frustum we are going to have two radius, small r and capital R. Okay, and one thing that is height of the frustum and one that is the slant height of the frustum. All the things we have in the cone itself. Okay, cone में हमारा radius यहाँ, ये height, and this is the slant height. But here what we have, half portion of the cones. So in this video I am going to tell you both the formulas of cone and frustum. First we are going to relate with the cone itself. The volume of cone, 1/3 pi r square h. So volume of frustum, what we have, 1/3 pi h is also okay, but here r square, and what we have in here, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r, that is small r or capital R. You can mention r1 r2 also, it depends on you, but more probably confusion na ho, that's why I made this small r and one capital R. Okay, so we have volume of frustum of cone. Why it is first frustum of cone? Because it's a part of cone itself. Okay, so 1/3 pi r1 square r2 square r1 r2 and product of height. Now CSA. of cone pi r L. What about CSA of frustum? Just relate the formula with cone itself and it will be more easier for you to memorize the formulas because you have to use directly the formulas. Okay, so CSA is pi r here. You have to use r1 plus r2. Okay, and L. Okay, so CSA of frustum, curve surface area of frustum cone pi r1 r2 L. Okay, what is the value of L here? Because in cone we have L square, that is hypotenuse, that is h square or r square under root में देते थे. Here what we have to do is L equals to, यहाँ लिखते हैं L of cone under root h square plus r square, but in frustum L equals to under root h square is okay plus net r चाहिए होता है. Net radius means capital R minus small r का whole square. Okay, this is what the slant height of frustum, r1 minus r2. Here r1 is greater than r2, so this you should keep in mind that if you are subtracting whatever the value, here we can see that, observe that the lower r is greater than the upper. Okay, so we wrote capital R minus small r. Okay, now TSA of cone. Okay, TSA of cone pi r plus L. Okay, so TSA of frustum equals to CSA plus, here we have two circles, one at the bottom and one at the top, that is pi small r square and pi capital R square. We have already discussed the CSA, that is, you can see above, pi r plus capital R L plus pi r square plus pi capital R square. Okay, the thing you can take common is only pi. So in the bracket r plus capital R L plus r square plus capital R square. So these are the formulas which you are going to use. So I hope you understood these formulas. Please do practice, and in the upcoming video we are going to solve the questions related to frustum. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos.